This video will show the main differences between both a standard vinyl sticker and our easy install vinyl sticker. Both have a similar process of peeling, however application is a much more different experience. The easy install vinyl sticker is one of the quickest and easiest processes for applying stickers. All you need to do is pop it onto your surface and brush it down with your hand, like so. Normal vinyl stickers are often a pain, needing much more complex processes of application that can often tear. Even if you have installed your vinyl sticker wrong, or even want to change its location, it's designed to hold its form and peel off in one motion. In fact, the easy install vinyl sticker is so easy to install, we've already applied it, decided to change the location, and install it all over again, and he's still going on the normal vinyl sticker.